What's up, y'all? It's trade recap for May 21st. So going into the morning, I had noticed that we were inside of this key level and had taken out this low. So my bias for today was if we don't close below this low, then I'll be looking for longs. And as you can see, this 4-hour candle did not close below, but we wicked it. So that means we wick below, that means higher prices. So once I saw we had closed above this low, I dropped down to the 5-minute to look for my turtle soup. As you can see right here, this was my first trade. I had taken longs right here, but I had noticed that I was a little bit too early, so I just closed out the trade and then waited for the actual turtle soup. So that's when the 4-hour candle had closed, confirming that we were going higher. So as you can see right here, we had this turtle soup. We had this turtle soup on NQ, but on ES we didn't, because as you can see, this low right here, it was taken on NQ, forming the turtle soup. And so once we closed above, I waited for us to close above these 3 consecutive candles. Once we closed above, confirming prices going higher, I waited for the retracement back to this order block to go long. So I got in right here, targeting this high right here. And as you can see, got in right like on the dot and then targeted up here. And that was the trade breakdown for today. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Go follow me on Twitter at NQClaw_.